Hello everybody, what you're looking at here is my Alaska 1993 Saturn copy ceiling fan. This fan is 52 inches. I got this at Habitat in Chicago for $25 along with an Emerson designer. This fan is in white and brass finish. It is 4 or 5 blade. I just like the way it looks with 4 blades better. This fan goes high, medium, low instead of the usual low, medium, high, which Alaska does. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Top shot. Blade. Alright. The light kit is a 3-way, which I find very awesome. I like this fan a lot. I think it's like really interesting. And in my event, the blade irons are really interesting because usually these have just generic irons, or they have like, I don't know, they just really don't have these moon irons. The downrod is not original. Originally it came with a white, very, very small inch, small downrod. Like it's probably like the original downrod was probably like 1 inch. Or like half an inch. It was very, very small, or very small downrod. Very interesting. I also find it interesting how this has plexiglass blades instead of just normal wood blades or whatever they're made out of. Medium. I will show the tag later at the end of the video. So, yeah, it does have a wobble to it. Though I'm not sure how to fix it because I don't want to put anything on the blades because they're clear and you will definitely see them. As you can see, it's starting to wobble pretty bad a little bit. This fan has okay bearings. They make a little noise on high. It runs really good though, and it blows a really good amount of air. Originally, for some reason, the motor was very rusty, and so was the pull chains are also rusty. And I'm not sure why though. It's very strange to me how rusty they are. And there was like a lot of rust on the motor for some reason. I actually have like no idea why. You can see it runs very smoothly. But as you can see, it is wobbling pretty bad. It's actually not like super bad like how I've seen before on different fans, but it is definitely a noticeable wobble. Not something that you would really want if you installed this. Actually, with 5 blades it didn't wobble, but with 4 blades it wobbles now. You can actually might be able to hear the bearings. It's quite noticeable with the wind noise. And it doesn't make any bearing noise on medium or low. Alright. on reverse. I also like how the reverse switch is closer to the chain, like normal fans, where it's on opposite sides. I think that's a not so noticeable difference, but I just like the way it looks. Looks more unique. Just a little bit worse on reverse. Just a little kind of spinning. Alright. Here's what the top looks like. I'm not sure what the tag is. Of course, it's on the opposite side. There's the tag right there. As you can see, it's from 1997. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this 1997 52-inch Alaska plexiglass Saturn copy, and I am out.